Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. In today's video, we'll talk about a crucial feature in your 1099 e-filing journey, TIN verification. Let's dive into why it's essential and how you can use it to avoid costly mistakes. When filing a 1099, getting the taxpayer identification number, TIN, right, is not just a technicality, it's critical. Providing a wrong TIN can have serious consequences for you and the IRS. Incorrect TINs may lead to rejected filings, delayed payments, and even penalties. A rejected 1099 form can result in unnecessary IRS scrutiny, penalties of up to $280 per incorrect form, and more work to fix mistakes. With TIN verification, PDFLiner ensures your 1099 forms are accurate before you submit them. Before you can verify a TIN, you need to collect it from your contractors. The best way to do that is by requesting a W-9 form. This ensures you receive the correct taxpayer identification number and other essential details. Once you have the W-9 with the contractor's TIN, you're ready to verify it. PDFLiner's TIN verification feature allows you to verify the TIN instantly before submitting your 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC forms. Simply click Validate Now, and PDFLiner will check the TIN in real time. If the TIN is incorrect, you can fix it right away. This feature minimizes errors, saving you time, money, and the hassle of IRS rejections. Here's what you should do. Step 1. Double-check the TIN on the W-9 form you received. Sometimes errors happen during data entry. Make sure the numbers match exactly as provided. Step 2. Re-enter the correct TIN into your 1099 form and click Validate Now again. If the TIN is valid, you'll see a confirmation message. Step 3. If the TIN remains invalid, it's time to contact your contractor. There might be an issue with the TIN they provided, such as a mismatch in the IRS database or a typo. Send a polite message to your contractor, asking them to double-check their TIN. You may want to attach a new W-9 form for them to fill out if they need to correct it. Once you receive the correct TIN, update the 1099 form on PDFLiner and click Validate Now once more. This ensures the TIN is valid before submission. When the TIN is verified, you can confidently complete and submit your 1099 forms directly to the IRS using PDFLiner. That's how simple and powerful TIN verification is with PDFLiner. Avoid costly mistakes and submit your forms with ease of mind. Stay organized, reduce stress, and keep your business on track. Check it out for yourself by following the link in the description. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tax-related tips and document guides. Using PDFLiner, you can easily fill out, sign, and manage all your documents, and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms at any time from any device. Learn more at pdfliner.com.